Introducing the all-new AMECA, a robot crafted by engineered arts. Not only does this incredible invention talk, but it can also imitate human facial emotions. What more does one need? In a parallel universe, or so we think, OpenAI and the Norwegian firm 1X have introduced their newest product, NEO, the material representation of the future. But that's not the only thing happening in the domain of AI right now. There is no limit to what can be achieved or how far we can progress. So let's peek at the latest developments and see what else is going on. First, we have AMECA, the greatest achievement in the history of robots designed to interact with humans. AMECA is a flexible platform for the research and development of emerging robotics technologies like AI and ML, putting it at the cutting edge of technical progress in the industry. When moving and seeing, AMECA is eerily similar to a human being, which is one of the robot's most impressive qualities. Its remarkable 24 facial motors allow it to convincingly imitate human emotions like smiling, frowning, and winking. Additionally, its head, eyes, and lips are all free to move and interact with humans in natural ways, creating a really immersive experience. AMECA, though, can imitate sounds as well as movements. Text-to-speech synthesis, or previously recorded audio, allows it to talk naturally in a wide variety of languages and accents. Its arms and hands can also convey emotion, thanks to the complex network of 20 motors in each arm and 12 motors in each hand. Then again, AMECA's limbs are so well honed that she can play rock, paper, scissors, and give the thumbs up with ease. Meanwhile, AMECA's impressive dexterity and fine motor skills are only matched by its appealing beauty and quick motions. It takes on difficult manual tasks like writing, keyboarding, playing the piano, and easily solving the Rubik's Cube. AMECA's recent ability to sketch yet is one of its most impressive developments. So to fully realize AMECA's aesthetic potential, Engineered Arts teamed up with renowned scholars from the universities of Bristol and Bath. The Engineering and Physical Sciences Research Council generously supported their effort, and in May of 2023, they presented their groundbreaking work at the International Conference on Robotics and Automation. The fundamental goal of the research was to use AI to improve the creative and precise qualities of the drawing process, where generative adversarial networks, style transfer, inverse kinematics, and proportional integral derivative controllers were just some of the state-of-the-art methods the researchers employed. You see, AMECA now has access to cutting-edge tools that allow them to create a wide variety of eye-catching drawings, from realistic portraits to breathtaking landscapes and fascinating animals. And that's not all. AMECA's talent as an artist even shows up in his abstract works. Even written descriptions of things like a cat with eyeglasses or a dragon that breathes fire can be brought to life by the robot. And of course, AMECA is so inventive that it can even materialize its own daydreams. Taking in random information, it produces striking and intriguing visuals. For instance, at the outset, a textual cue or random noise is used as the basis for a picture generated by a generative adversarial network. The next step is style transfer, in which the artist chooses a desired artistic style and applies it to the work. Similarly, the precise joint angles of AMECA's arm and hand are determined through inverse kinematics, which is then used to draw the image's contours. At last, PID controllers conduct the motors to produce artful, precise lines on paper. Of course, the end result is just stunning, as drawings by AMECA are not only realistic, but also full of emotion, variety, and even a little bit of creativity. A quick reminder for you all. If you like the content you have seen so far, do subscribe to the channel. Moving on, something really exciting is cooking at OpenAI's end, as they are all set to launch their newest addition to the GPT family. Although ChatGPT is what initially brought attention to OpenAI, the organization's goals and interests go well beyond software development. Recently, OpenAI's exploration into hardware has resulted in the development of their first physical robot, codenamed NEO. As a result, OpenAI systems such as GPT-4, DALL-E, Codex, and Clip are brought to life in this humanoid robot. NEO's look is that of a futuristic astronaut, considering its abilities to study, understand commands, and create visuals or code. NEO also has an incredible array of skills. It is able to move around autonomously, precisely manipulate objects, and communicate with others. On the other end of it, though, OpenAI plans to use NEO as a guinea pig for their ultimate aim, artificial general intelligence, which includes AI capable of performing any human work. For instance, Ali Partovi, a Silicon Valley entrepreneur and investor, unveiled NEO in July 2023 at his startup incubator, the NEO Accelerator, whose main goal is to align itself with the partnership between OpenAI and Microsoft to aid new AI businesses by giving them access to free tools and expert guidance. Additionally, NEO's performance as a presentation of its powers and completion of numerous tasks was a highlight of the event. With its modular construction and cutting-edge components, this robot exemplifies OpenAI's vision for the future of artificial intelligence and robotics. Its modular design makes it simple to swap out components for a tailored fit to specific jobs or settings. Then again, NEO's legs may be swapped out for wheels, and its gripping tools can be modified to suit a variety of tasks. And not just that, NEO's components can communicate with one another without any hiccups thanks to its built-in wireless communication, including Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Using OpenAI's AI technologies like GPT-4, DALL-E, Codex, and Clip, NEO is then able to comprehend verbal orders, create photorealistic graphics from text, write functional code in response to verbal prompts, and acquire the ability to recognize objects, faces, and emotions from textual advice. NEO's versatile skill set further allows it to thrive in a wide range of activities, from art and gaming to puzzle solving. Additionally, it has no trouble at all making art, playing games like chess, or solving logic puzzles like Sudoku. And while both AMECA and NEO are humanoid robots that use AI to do incredible feats, their approaches to the field of robotics and AI are radically different. You see, AMECA attempts to mimic human contact by using language and motion that are as close to natural as possible. Its creative efforts comprise expertly translating spoken or written words into visual representations on paper, presenting original and evocative artwork. On the other side, NEO is all about adaptability and wants to use AI to do anything a person can. Words or sounds are translated into computer code and then run on its internal processor or display as part of its creative process. Not to mention, the complexity of the coding and the resolution of the display prevents NEO's drawings from being any more lifelike or accurate than they already are. But despite sharing similar qualities, AMECA and NEO represent very different aspirations. On one end, AMECA strives to find its voice through the arts, appreciating originality and variety. NEO, on the other hand, is a symbol of OpenAI's ambition to create an AI capable of doing a wide variety of tasks traditionally performed by humans. They illustrate the many avenues open to exploration in the exciting field of artificial intelligence and robotics as a whole. So there's that. That said, there's one more thing that we would like to add here. Point is, while both AMECA and NEO present great achievements, they also pose serious problems and difficulties for society. For one, the growing number of artificial intelligence robots similar to them has the potential to bring about revolutionary shifts in society, which may or may not be for the better. Though on the bright side, these robots have the potential to transform both the educational and entertainment industries, bringing excitement and innovation to each of these fields. For instance, they are able to help us with chores that are laborious or repetitive, which frees up our time and energy for activities that provide more satisfaction. Having said that, it is also absolutely necessary to be aware of the potential drawbacks. That's because there is a risk that jobs will be lost due to automation caused by AI robots, which raises concerns about the security of work and people's capacity to maintain their livelihoods. Then again, it is impossible to speculate on what the future holds for artificial intelligence and robots. But one thing's for sure, future artificial intelligence robots will grow even smarter and more human-like as these technologies advance, which will have a significant impact on how we live, work, and perceive ourselves. So what do you think is next for the AI industry? Let us know in the comments below while making sure you have subscribed to the channel to catch us for more updates. We'll see you very soon. Take care.